Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, February 8th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I'm just heading over to the supermarket, pick up a few things. Obviously it's Super Bowl Sunday and the Olympics are on. I don't get too hyped up over the Super Bowl, but I do enjoy watching the Winter Olympics, especially the curling. For some reason, I'm fascinated by the curling. I think it's just like the strategic part of it. I don't know, but anyway, we'll have the game on tonight, and I'm just going up to the store here to pick up a couple of things, last minute things. But I wanted to do this video simply because, and the title of this video is Answer the Phone. That's how empires are built. Okay? Because earlier this afternoon, I was doing some work in my home office, and the phone rang, and usually it comes up spam, or I recognize the number, but I didn't recognize this number, but it didn't come up spam. So I answered it, and it was somebody who had just completed the QuickSilver survey that we have. And so I started talking to this gentleman, and he was telling me a little bit about himself and how he was interested in QuickSilver and learning more about it. And so I was on the phone for probably about 35 minutes. Long story short, I ended up enrolling him over the phone as a wealth ambassador into QuickSilver. So about 20 minutes go by, I get another phone call. I enrolled another person over the phone. So back-to-back people, wealth ambassadors that I enrolled over the phone today. And I was just thinking, what are the chances of me enrolling them if I didn't answer the phone? If I didn't pick that up, and if I would have just said, oh, they can leave you a message, I'll get back to them later. And obviously, you can't answer the phone all the time. Sometimes you just can't, you don't have your phone with you, or you're in the middle of something and it's not possible. But the point of this video is that if you want to build an empire, you have got to answer your phone. If you want to build an empire, you have got to call people back if they leave you a message. If you want to build an empire, you have got to respond to messages that you get on your social media. Like, you have to do that. All right? If you're not giving out your information, your phone number or email, you have to respond to emails if people email you. And if you're not doing that, you're leaving money on the table, right? You're never going to build an empire if you don't do these things. Because the first gentleman that I spoke with, he was like, Russ, I got to tell you, he goes, you know what? You answered your phone. You answered all my questions. You're exactly what I'm looking for in a sponsor. Most people don't do these things. Most people, they'll put their number out there, or they'll put their email out there, or, they'll accept Facebook messages, but they don't respond to people reaching out, asking them about their business opportunity. And if you don't do that, how do you expect to build an empire? And you don't have to use your personal phone number. I have a Google Voice number that I put out there. So people call my Google Voice number, and then I speak to them, and then when they join, they get my direct number. So you don't have to put your direct phone, your line out there. You don't even have to put your personal email out there. You can create a new one just for your business. But the point of it is opportunities don't announce themselves, right? So when you're sharing opportunities with other people, you're going to get people who are interested and have questions and reach out to you. And in order to build your business, you have to respond to those people. I speak to so many people, and they tell me, you're the first one who got back to me. I can't believe you answered your phone. I can't believe you responded to my email. Just by doing these things, it's going to increase the amount of people that you get to join your business opportunity. Just by responding to people. Because most people don't respond. Most people just, I don't know what they're thinking. They want to build a business, but they don't want to get back to people. I don't understand that mentality. But empire builders respond. I respond to everybody. Yeah, there are times when I miss a message. You know, I've had that happen before in the past, or an email goes into my spam folder and I don't see it right away. There's things that happen, but 99% of the time when somebody's reaching out to me, I'm getting right back to them. All right, at the very minimum, get back to them within 24 hours. You know, there's no excuse not to. Nobody's that busy. So I'm here at Walmart doing a Walmart pickup. It's crazy here. So I just wanted to make that video. You know, I just wanted to put that out there. That if you want to build an empire, you know, pick up your phone when people call you, or at least respond to the messages, respond to emails, respond to DMs, you know, whatever you have to do. But answering the phone and responding to people equals leadership, right? That shows a great leader. It shows, you know, that you're a great sponsor. And following up equals income. So by doing these two things, you're far ahead of everybody else, because the majority of people don't do anything. They join programs and they want to make money without doing anything, you know, and that's just not how it works. The people that do well and are able to work for themselves full time, like I've been doing since 2018, they show up every day and they take massive action and they stay consistent. And that's what it takes to win. That's what it takes to be a leader. That's what it takes to build an empire. That's what it takes to do this, you know? So don't be fearful of the telephone, and never delay in your response. I mean, I understand that sometimes people are, you know, they're busy with other things. They have a job, you know, they're not able to answer their phone right away, but you can always find time to get back to somebody within a 24-hour period. And the quicker, the better. All right? So, because if I didn't get back to these people, who knows, you know? They might not have joined me. But the point of it is that you just want to show up. You don't need to be perfect, but make yourself available and, you know, respond to the folks reaching out to you, okay? So that's it. The moral of the story is missed calls don't build empires, all right? Answer the phone. Get back to people. So that's it for this video. I just had to make that and just, you know, make sure everybody hears that, because it's an important part if you're building an empire. So, but that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Let me know who you're cheering for tonight in tonight's game. If you're into the Super Bowl, it's the Seattle Seahawks and the New England Patriots. I'm up here in New England, so, but you know, I like to go, sometimes I like to play the, you know, flip things around. So I don't know who I'm going to root for. I'm really a Philadelphia Eagles fan if I had to pick a team, because I'm from Pennsylvania originally. But anyway, let me know who you're rooting for. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.